The complete nutrition actually comes from sun. And there is a hell of deficiency of sun, particularly in our country, in India. One reason, and the biggest reason, is the clothes. That is where the humanity has gone completely wrong. We have covered our bodies. Nature had designed the skin to cover, but then we have taken another cover. That is the biggest mistake, one of the biggest mistakes human beings have done. Nobody else, like none other species than the humans would be able. They have hairs or skin or whatever, whether it be cat or dog or a bird or whatever. So therefore, nature has provided, and that is regulated. That regulates the sun, and they can shed the hair depending upon the sun and heat and all those things. Okay. So the biggest problem is clothes. In India, 90% women are deficient in vitamins and eating calcium pills, whereas there is no deficiency of calcium. Calcium is in abundance in water and many things. If we are not using RO to remove off the calcium, then there is calcium is in abundance. The problem is this that we cannot utilize the calcium because of lack of vitamin D. And the right source of vitamin D is sun. But vitamin D is just one thing that sun provides. The story is actually much complex and bigger. It's not just vitamin D. And the biggest, one of the bigger things is the depression. Lack of sun causes depression. Lack of sun causes depression. You don't see the sun and you get depressed. And once you are depressed, you want to eat more, or you want to shop more, or you want to show up more, and you want to somehow achieve some kind of power if you are depressed. If you are happy, you don't want to eat. If you are happy, then I mean, everything is fine. So the biggest problem that is the depression. And sun, we have cut it off all the levels. Like we have first built the house where the sun doesn't enter. Now even in the cities, the sun doesn't enter in the streets because the buildings are so tall. So forget about the apartment. There is no sun even on the street. So we have removed it from our buildings. Wherever we are going through car, again covered. Then we have clothes, and then whatever little is exposed, the hands and the face, put some kind of creams, fairness creams. Sun is or fairness cream. All the fairness creams have sunscreen because white skin is considered better skin. So that way we are completely actually starving our body of sun. So the first and the biggest nutrition has to come from the sun. And this sun has to be absorbed from whole body, not just the hands and face. And you can't have sun on the clothes. The sun rays have to touch your skin. Sitting in the sun whole day with clothes doesn't make any sense. You will just get the heat, not the sun waves, sun rays. So sun comes when the sun is actually touching your skin. So that is the biggest thing, one of the biggest things you should be thinking of whether you can afford it or not. People go to the beaches and then they lay with little clothes. It's not any kind of fashion show that's actually required. You have to expose your body, most of it. So that is the biggest issue. आपके पास कोई स्कोप है? या
सोचता हूँ
दरवाजा खिड़की बंद करके नहीं बल्कि तो सोशल मतलब साइकोलॉजिकल टेबूज तो ऐसे कि हम लोग कई लोग बाथरूम में भी नहीं उतारते हाँ उनको लगता है भगवान सब जगह है देख लेगा फर्स्ट टेक अवे ये है कि बगैर सन के डिप्रेशन नहीं जाने वाला, और ना हड्डियां मजबूत होने वाली हैं, ना मसल्स मजबूत होने वाली हैं, ना हार्मोन्स ठीक होने वाले हैं। तो अब और इसमें कोई चॉइस नहीं है। अगर कोई आपको कहता है कि ओजोन लेयर में छेद हो गए हैं और आप सन नहीं ले सकते हैं अभी, तो वैसे ही बात है कि हवा में पोल्यूशन है तो आप सांस नहीं ले सकते। So you can choose whether you want to live with polluted air or with no air. The same choice you have to take with the sun. सन का apparently हमें वैसा दिखता नहीं है तो हम कट ऑफ कर देते हैं। So sun is definitely needed, and do it. I do it at my farm. I will take off my shirt, and we have made some places where people can take off their all the clothes and could be in sun for several hours, and it really feels so good. So sun and the soil are the biggest antidepressant, and the real अपना जो कल्चर है आप अपने नीड समझिए कि आपको उस देर के लिए उतारनी है, उतनी देर के लिए उतारिए।
देखिए हमारी तो अगर अपना वो जो बनियान होता है ना वो पहन के ना मेरी कॉलोनी मेरे गेट को गेट नहीं सॉरी मेरे जो बाहर अंदर वाला गेट होता है उसको क्रॉस नहीं करता।
हाँ, वो क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि आपकी इमेज खराब हो जाएगी, आपको ये लगता है कि आपकी इमेज खराब हो जाएगी। हाँ नहीं तो ठीक है, तो आपको टेरेस पे करिए, कहीं करिए या बाहर जाइए। तो आपको मैं बता दूं कि इसके अलावा ऑप्शन नहीं है। लोग चाहते ये है कि मुझे एक डिब्बा बंद प्रोडक्ट दे दीजिए और 2 चम्मच खाने को बोल दीजिए, इससे सारा काम हो जाए। पीपल वांट टू आउटसोर्स देयर हेल्थ, कि बस मुझे तो आप फीस ले लीजिए और फिट कर दीजिए। दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन, यू कांट आउटसोर्स योर हेल्थ। डिब्बा बंद और किल से कुछ नहीं होने वाला। कितना ये आप कितना एक्चुअली ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपका डिफिशियंसी लेवल कितना है और कितना जल्दी आप मेकअप करना चाहते हैं और सन कितना इंटेंस है। आई वुड से अगर आपका टॉप अप अच्छा है, आपका डिफिशियंसी नहीं है, तो उस केस में मैं कहूँगा 20 मिनट्स to 1 hour would be good
per day.
Yes. Sun exposure. Early morning sun, yeah. It just
10.
depends on you what you feel good.
I have read about this कि morning की जो sunlight होती है 8 to 9 o'clock की, that sunlight has to be taken in. You should not, especially in regions like Nagpur where there is intense heat. So you cannot even tolerate that heat. 15 मिनट 10 मिनट भी you cannot tolerate it that intense. So it is only the morning, मतलब जो सहन हो सके तुम्हारे स्किन को भी. You can only have that.
Yeah. So whatever feels good,
Yeah.
good for you, and whatever will feel good to you depends on. You can't have everything in one day. If you keep yourself exposing, then you can withstand any sun for any number of hours, because every animal's skin has been designed for them. Dogs don't wear clothes. None other animals wear clothes. Our skin has been designed. So if you are exposing your skin, and if you are not worried for getting dark, that is the most important thing. You shouldn't be worried for getting dark. There could be some problem with the skin initially, and then your skin will become strong enough to withstand. To begin with, you may not be able to lift 20 kg, but you keep on lifting little, and your muscles get stronger, and you are good enough to lift maybe 50 kg. So that will come in these steps. Okay? So, and then actually, what is good comes from body-mind coordination. And bigger mind is a kind of unconscious mind. Your body and mind will react to it automatically. You just let it happen. They know how much is good. But as a rule of thumb, I would say that keep pushing your comfort zone. Because if you are not pushing your comfort zone, you are shrinking continuously. It's a rubber band kind of a system. So, and so just keep on pushing your comfort zones a little. And the way you are pushing the comfort zones a little, and then you are gaining the strength, and then your domain is becoming big. Okay? nutrition, and which you could actually link with fasting. That how do you plan your fasting diet? Uh, the biggest problem in the diet is carbs or sugars. Carbs and sugars are actually the real problem. And the problem is so fundamental that our body actually has no mechanism to store the carbohydrate or sugar. It can store only a little bit of it in the form of glycogen. Rest all it has to convert to the fat. So actually the carbs and fat, which have become the 90% or 80% of our food, are not the right stuff for which our body is designed. And the food has to be very balanced, and the better options are actually fat and proteins. Fat and proteins are better options. Fat is particularly better. Actually, two very wrong notions have gone in last 20 years, that the fat and germs and sun are bad. For last 10, 20 years we are talking that sun is bad, may cause skin cancer, germs are bad, may make you sick, and fat is bad. Actually, fat is not bad. The carbs and sugars are bad. Last several years we are trying to cut down on cholesterol, and the latest finding says that there is no connection of heart disease with the cholesterol. Cholesterol goes up if you have the heart disease, and that is a kind of a repair for heart to get better. And if your heart is better, the cholesterol will automatically go down. And the Lipitor, the medicine that is used to reduce the cholesterol, has been found of no effect. Actually, it is harmful that it causes diabetes. It has caused diabetes in 25% users. So that has gone very wrong, that fats are bad. And I would strongly suggest that our diet should be fat-based, not carb-based. But these fats cannot be refined fats. And these fats, the ideal diet I consider is of oil seeds. Oil seeds makes the ideal diet. One reason is because of hunger signal. How do you feel hungry? Why do you feel hungry? Actually, there are 2-3 hypotheses of hunger. एक तो ये है कि अगर आपका पेट तना हुआ नहीं है ना, प्रेशर नहीं यहाँ बना हुआ है, या टेबल को वो टच नहीं कर रहा है, तो आपको लगता है कि कुछ कम है, अभी बेल्ट टाइट नहीं हुआ है. You need to fill it more. Second is this, that कि अंदर आपके काफी एंजाइम्स और एसिड वगैरह निकलते रहते हैं. So if the stomach is empty, then those enzymes or acid would be damaging the lining of your stomach. Or whenever the time has come, the acid would release and it will demand the food. If you don't eat food, then it would be like rats are jumping inside your stomach, and you need to urgently eat something else you don't eat. But the bigger signal of hunger is blood glucose. Blood glucose is the biggest signal of the hunger. And the signal is like this. What happens, the moment you eat, after a few minutes the digestion takes place and the carbs are both broken down in glucose. And the glucose level goes up in the blood. The glucose level goes up in the blood, but glucose is like fire. It's petrol, it's fire. Its body is very sensitive for it. Neither you can have low glucose nor you can have high glucose. If you are having low glucose, you may die. You may go in coma or you may die. So you can't have low glucose. If you have high glucose, glucose is so reactive that there could be a lot of chemical changes inside glycation. Your kidney will go bad, eyes will go bad. So many changes will take place because glucose is so reactive. So that is why the body has very tight control over the glucose, and it has several 3-4 hormones that control the glucose, particularly the insulin and glucagon. Glucagon get activated when there is lack of glucose, so it increases the internal production of the glucose so that you don't die or you don't go in coma. Insulin will reduce. So what happens when you eat? There is simultaneously increase in the insulin level because you can't have more blood glucose. So the insulin comes out to take care of the excess of the glucose. But this usually get overactive and then it puts the glucose to low level. Maybe this is your stationary 100 level where you feel the most comfortable. It will go below that. And the moment it goes below that, you feel sad. You feel sad, you feel like eating something. And it actually has nothing to do with how much you have eaten. It has absolutely nothing to do with how much you have eaten. You will feel hungry after every 2-3 hours if you are on carbohydrate-based diet. And this hunger is very big because fall in the glucose level is this much. So you feel like as if somebody has thrown you from a high-rise building. You feel so bad. You have so strong urge to eat. And that's why the fasting is so difficult. But if you have like fat-based diet, then fat is not converted into glucose right away. So what happens that your blood glucose remains almost stationary. The insulin doesn't get triggered, and maybe after 4 to 6 hours it goes below. So in carb-based diet this would be 3-2 hours. In fat-based diet it would be 4 to 6 hours.
According to the conversion, carbs converted into glucose. But
Fat converts into the fatty acids, or fat directly can get absorbed. Fatty acids is converted into fat. So first effect is this, and fats have very high level of satiety. Like you eat little fat and you feel satisfied. No more, I just can't have it. Whereas the caloric value is just double. 1 gram of carb is equal to 4 kilocalories, whereas 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 kilocalories. So the caloric value is almost double. But you can very easily have 200 gram carbs, but it would be very difficult for you to take 100 gram fat. Just few grams of fat will make you a lot satisfied. Very satisfied. Food would be very calm. And you won't have this kind of falling down. So your hunger would get delayed, number one. And number two, the magnitude of hunger will not be that much. Hunger would be mild. It's good to have food, but no such very urgent need. Alright? And then when you are more on fat based, then your brain processes it, whether eating really is required. Because if you have excess fat in the body, the brain will say that I can take out from those sources. There is a need to eat. Because after all, fat concentrations are being measured. But if you are on carbohydrate based diet, what will happen? That your brain will signal only the glucose. And the brain will say, no, there is a deficiency of the glucose and I need to immediately have it. So, your hunger would be very strong. So to have fasting, actually you need to go on kind of fat kind of diets. And
there is a dip in this blood glucose level, she said. जो लाइन के नीचे
क्या होता है कि जैसे आप ये खाते हैं तो नॉर्मली ये तो ऊपर चला जाता है, ऊपर जाते ही फिर क्योंकि डेंजरस है ग्लूकोज, तो फिर इंसुलिन एक्टिव होगा और फिर एक्टिव होगा तो वो फिर डिप कर देता है और आपको फिर 2-3 घंटे में खाने की भूख लगती है. एक्चुअली ये जो 4-5 बार खाने का जो प्रोग्राम है ये बिल्कुल गड़बड़ कंसेप्ट है। अगर आप ऐसे लोगों को फॉलो करें जो बहुत ज्यादा जिंदा रहते हैं, यू विल फाइंड दैट मोस्ट ऑफ देम ईट जस्ट वंस इन अ डे, जस्ट वंस इन अ डे। और कुछ तो ट्राइब्स ऐसी हैं जो रोज नहीं खाती, दे विल ईट व्हेन दे फील, नॉट डेली। और हमारा तो पूरा टाइम ही खाने में चला जाता है, और अगर आप खुद खाना बना रहे हैं तो बस खाना खाना और बनाना, इसी में पूरा 24 घंटा हो गया। बल्कि और एक दो लोग चाहिए हेल्प करने के लिए, कोई एक यूटेंसिल साफ करने के लिए चाहिए, तो एक कोई कुक करने के लिए चाहिए, तब वो खाना पूरा होगा। तो खाना इतना मेजर काम नहीं होना चाहिए, फूड शुड बी वेरी माइनर एक्टिविटी। तो the ideal food, I have come down to certain ingredients which are really very good. And the three ingredients I admire a lot: sesame, flax seeds, and peanuts. I don't admire almonds or those kind of cashew nuts. The food should be very simple and very inexpensive. If food is consuming your most of the time and most of the money, you will always be in stress. So food should consume very little of your time and very little of your money. That's why I don't recommend any expensive stuff like almonds or cashew nuts or. For me, these things are several times better than the almonds.
What is that? Flax?
Javas, alsi, alsi tremendous है। तिल अलसी और मूंगफली है। लेकिन ये जो आपको खाना है ये मेडिसिन जैसा नहीं खाना। This you have to eat like food. Just 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoonfuls will not. You should be eating it substantially. I would say 70 to 100 grams.
अलसी की ज़्यादा खाने से नुकसानदायक है। अलसी ज़्यादा खाना नुकसानदायक है।
It's very hard.
दो चार
बहुत गर्म होता है, इसको डाइजेस्ट होने में भी हाई बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, बहुत चिकन होता है। सो पाउडर्ड एंड मेक अ चटनी, ड्राई चटनी, देन इट्स इजी टू डाइजेस्ट।
देखिए जितना भी डिफिकल्ट टू डाइजेस्ट चीजें हैं वो सब बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया है। एक्चुअल में प्रॉब्लम यही है कि हम लोग इजी टू डाइजेस्ट चीज़ों की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गए हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। और कुछ टिप्स हैं। अलसी में एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो स्टिकी होती है बिकॉज इट हैज लॉट ऑफ सोल्यूबल फाइबर एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट, दैट इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट, दैट इज व्हाट एक्चुअली मेक्स इट अ सुपर फूड। तो उसका ये है कि यू हैव टू हैव एनफ वाटर विद इट, डोंट ईट इट विद लेस वाटर, अदरवाइज वो थोड़ा ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन कर सकती है आपकी जीआईटी में। तो आइडियली ये होगा कि उसको आप ग्राइंड कर लें, डोंट रोस्ट इट, यू रोस्ट इट एंड यू डिस्ट्रॉय द लिग्निन। उसको सीधा ग्राइंड कर लीजिए और फिर पानी में घोल के जस्ट हैव इट। व्हाई टू गो फॉर ऑयल? Go for oil seed. The moment you are going for oil seed, all the protein, all the fibers, all the fat, everything you are having. There is absolutely no point in eating oil or ghee.
This is like oil seeds.
Yeah, so just oil seeds खाइए सीधा आप। और बल्कि मैं कहूँ कि जो ऑयल निकालने के बाद जो बचता है ना, जो कैटल्स को खिलाते हैं, that is of higher value. The protein is just the oil cake of peanuts. Nothing else. Protein X is the oil cake of peanuts. तो जो बाद का जो फल है वो तो और ज्यादा वैल्यू का है बिकॉज दैट सो रिच इन द प्रोटीन। ठीक है, तो इससे क्या होगा, अगर आप इसमें शिफ्ट होते हैं तो पहले तो क्या होगा कि आपका एक्सेस फैट बर्न हो जाएगा, बट यू कांट हैव शुगर विद दिस। अगर आप कहें कि नहीं मैं मिठाई खाऊंगा जिसमें फ्रूट भी है और शक्कर भी है तो सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, क्योंकि शुगर आते ही फिर आपका दिमाग अलग तरीके से काम करेगा, वो फिर सिग्नल पूरा ग्लूकोज पे चला जाएगा। ठीक है, कभी भी नहीं चाहिए।
नाश्ते के साथ में फूड है।
Before food and after food, right? It's a
This
food.
is not a food
यही
supplement.
बनता है।
This is not a food supplement. ये फूड सप्लीमेंट नहीं है और ना ये मेडिसिन है, ये फूड है, ठीक है। और इसके अलावा मैं और चीजें जो कहूँगा, ऑफ कोर्स दोस पीस आर वेरी गुड।
मुझे कहीं से खुशबू भी आने लगा।
कोई भी आपका येलो पीस, चने,
ग्रीन पीस
सफेद आते हैं
सूखी हुई
सफेद आते हैं।
ये मटर, अच्छा मटाना।
मटर, जो पीला मटर होता है ना
सफेद
सूखा,
होते हैं थोड़े
हाँ वो हुआ चने। मतलब मेरा तो ये है कि जो सस्ता मिल रहा हो बाजार में, इन पीस एंड पल्सेस जो भी सस्ता है, दैट इज द बेस्ट फॉर दैट टाइम। और उसको आप क्या करिए कि सीधा बस रात को पानी में डाल दीजिए। स्प्राउट कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं, रात को पानी में डाल दीजिए और सुबह तैयार है, बस कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। टेस्ट को लगाम करिए या थोड़ा सा डाल दीजिए, नींबू डाल दीजिए, टेस्ट
अगर हर चीज खाना है तो सस्टेनेबल नहीं है। कोई अगर मेरे को बोलेगा कि किसी का पानी पी लो खाने में,
हाँ
मैं बोलूँगी कोई बात नहीं, मैं 50 साल जीने के लिए बोलूँगी,
हाँ
मेरे लिए तो ऐसे रहेगा वो चीज़।
नहीं तो ये तो है, तो बल्कि 50 से
ऐसा जीना भी क्या जीना।
नो नो, ऐसा भी नहीं है बात ना। हम अकेला नहीं खाते, पर
कौन खाएगा छोला भटूरा?
सब पूरा फैमिली को खिलाना पड़ता
कभी कभी
Everybody
खाइए,
want happy.
सोने के बाद कुछ भी खाइए, फिर सोने के बाद कुछ भी खाइए।
है। मुझे तो पता ही है, एक्चुअली इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ एक्लेमेटाइजेशन।
Reversing the body is
Sausage के लिए क्या है? What do we have for sausage?
yeah. See, when you are eating these peas and oil seeds, then you have lot of protein going, because all the oil seeds have lot of fiber. These peas have lot of fiber, so that is good. And it's really, you can have fruits and vegetables as well.
Vegetables जैसे आप गाजर ना खाएं, ककड़ी ना खाएं, तो sausage कहाँ से बनेगा? Green salad leaves ना खाएं, तो nutrient भी है उसमें, healthy भी है, fattening भी नहीं है, और
Yeah, that's there. But I really am very skeptical about the fruits and vegetables. थोड़ा थोड़ा खाना ठीक है, और वो खाना तभी ठीक है जब आप खुद ग्रो कर सकते हैं। अगर आप खुद ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हैं तो आपको पता नहीं है कि आप क्या खा रहे हैं।
इसमें भी खाना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, पर इसमें उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसमें उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आपको पता है वेजिटेबल पे अल्टरनेट डे स्प्रे किया जाता है। वेजिटेबल पे कल आप स्प्रे किया और आज आप खाएंगे और पूरा एसेस खा जाएंगे। इसमें क्या है कि ये पता नहीं कब किया गया था, और जब प्लांट छोटा था तब किया गया था, बहुत टाइम निकल गया और बहुत अंदर था ये। इसका स्टोरी अलग है। और ये आप 150 ग्राम खाएंगे, वेजिटेबल्स आप आधा किलो 1 किलो खा जाएंगे।
अगर आप खाना करें तो मॉडरेट करिए ना, मतलब अपना
Okay, let's clear out the whole exam first. Let's clear out the whole thing first.
And actually this is for achieving something substantial and serious. And substantial and serious is that if you wish to live 20, 30, 40, 50 years more, and if you find that worthwhile, if your life is already hell, then you would say it's better to go early. Why to live more? So if you are really enjoying your life, only then you want to have it more. If you are not enjoying, there is no point you having it more. Go better to go early. Earth is already burdened by us. So that is another thing. And food should be very compact also. There is no point eating this much. Vegetables problem is this, that you need to eat this much. Food should be very compact, just little bit. And maybe having could be quite rich in calories that you have taken once and then you are fine for whole day. Fine just for whole day. No need to eat 5 times. That's complete absurd. So now if you switch to this, the easiest way to fast is to switch to exercise, because then your hunger signals get changed. Hunger signals then get linked to the fat, and if you already have excess in the fat, the brain will not demand more. But if your hunger signal is connected with the sugar or glucose, then as I said that the body has absolutely no mechanism to store sugar or glucose. So it right away converts the sugar or glucose into the fat, and then your brain also And by reversing, what I mean that, as I said earlier, people may keep their body so badly that in actually 20 years or 30 years their body age could be 40 to 60. I've checked in many people. 25 years age, body age is saying 69. Many ladies find it very difficult to conceive in 30 age because maybe the body age has already reached to 60. The fitness is so bad that it has already reached to the 60. So that is the problem. There are many tests. One is go for push-ups, half push-ups. And I would say one very easy test is like of general fitness is whether you could sit like this or not. You can sit it like this for quite some time and can stand up easily. Then it says your body is pretty good. Pretty good. Very simple test.
How much time? Let's sit like that.
People can sit for hours. But this is actually the healthiest posture.
For testing how much time?
And then there are machines also available. Just very simple machines which can right away give you the body weight, cost 2,000, 3,000 rupees, which can analyze everything like the body, fat, muscles, and all these things. But I think the biggest, I don't believe much in machines or packaged products, but I think is what you are feeling. You will start feeling differently. तो एक तो ये न्यूट्रिशन की मैंने बात कर ली. तो फास्ट करने के लिए मेरी राइट अवे टिप ये होती है कि अगर आप करना चाहते हैं तो फ्लैक्सीड को ग्राइंड करके उसको पानी में घोल के और पीते रहिए. Let me go to the third thing. Very important. Is workout. आप वर्कआउट कितना करते हैं? And workout is a workout only if some work is coming out of it. Yoga, jogging, walking and treadmill, they are no workouts. Absolutely no workouts. The workouts are of three kinds. There are three kinds of workouts. One is called resource positive, resource neutral, and resource negative. Workout means you have to bring out your energy. And resource positive workout is when that energy is being used constructively in the welfare of environment. Only then it gets channelized well. Like taking care of plants, digging, farming is the best workout. So that is called resource positive workout, and that is when you feel the most happy, the environment feels the most happy, and then there is a resonance. Second is resource neutral. Resource neutral means that you release your energy but nothing is made out of it, like yoga, jogging and all these things. And you don't make anything out of it, but your energy is released. That's neutral, that's not amazing, but it's okay. It's not very effective. Third is resource negative, like running on a treadmill. You are burning your energy and eating the electricity as well. And maybe going in an air conditioner car to a gym. Again damaging the environment a lot to reach to the gym, and then again eating energy for the air conditioner and for the treadmill, and then bringing out your energy again. Maybe if you run on a treadmill which can generate the electricity, then of course it would be resource positive. तो जो वर्कआउट है वो सिर्फ पॉजिटिव वर्कआउट ही काउंट होता है. और अनफॉर्चुनेटली अर्बन लिविंग में बहुत ही कम स्कोप है। झाड़ू पोछा करिए घर पे, झाड़ू पोछा ही एक वर्कआउट है और कोई वर्कआउट नहीं। या फिर थोड़ा सा निकलिए गांव की तरफ, कुछ गो बैक टू द लैंड, दैट इज ऑफ कोर्स द अल्टीमेट सोल्यूशन। गोइंग बैक टू द लैंड इज द अल्टीमेट सोल्यूशन। तो ये तो वर्कआउट का मामला है। आई विल जस्ट क्विकली टच अपॉन दिस लास्ट एंड देन वी कैन हैव द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इफ देयर आर एनी मोर। तो ये चौथा जो है, माय फ्रेंड वुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट इट टुमारो, बट आई डू वांट टू टच अपॉन इट, द जर्म्स। There are two kinds of environment. One is the external environment and another is the internal environment. The external environment is comprised of truck, car, tree, bird, road, concrete, lawn, everything around it is the external environment. And the internal environment is the germs. Your body is full of germs. And some people estimate that the germs are actually 10 times to human cells. Some estimate says that 2% body weight is germs and 90% cells are germs and 99% DNA is germs. The weight of the germs is quite less, 2 kg only. 98% our body is comprised of human cells. 2% it is of the bacteria and fungus. But if you look at democratically, because after all the basic unit of life is a cell. So if you count the number of cells, then the bacterial cells are 10 times to the human cells. And that way we are 90% bacteria and 10%. If you go further down, because everything happens because of some gene or DNA. So DNA or gene is ultimate key. If you go on the basis of DNA diversity, then all our human cells have same DNA. The biggest diversity in human of the DNA comes from the microbial cells, and 99% of our germ gene pool is bacteria. So it depends that how you count it. On kilo basis, of course, you are 2% bacteria, 98% you are human. On number basis, you are 90% bacteria, 10% human. And on the genetic or on the gene basis, you are 99% bacteria and just 1% human, less than 1% actually. So even the question comes that what are we? Are we humans, or our humanness is just like we are a building and the real citizen of this building are bacteria? Maybe the real citizen of the building are bacteria. And that is the extent that bacteria is so important. Like you have a colony which is comprised of houses, and you may start thinking what is more realistic, the buildings or the residents? What is more important? Who is more real? If you think that the buildings are more real, then you are of no value. But if you think that no, the residents are more important because the building is for the residents, then of course you will say that the bacteria is more important than the human cell because they are the residents. Our body is for them. We are just a transportation and housing for them. And it's not only the immunity, even our thinking is because of bacteria. The moment your flora changes, your thinking changes. And there have been several experiments that if the flora is dramatically changed, then people will start thinking. So germs are extremely important, and you should always look forward to have more and more germs in number and diversity. And how to have more germs is number one, feed them well. Feeding them well means that eat a lot of fiber, because what you cannot digest, bacteria thrive on that. Anything that you can digest, it no more remains available for the bacteria. The sugar is not available for the bacteria. So eat those things which you cannot digest. The phases like vegetables, he said, but if you are taking the oil seeds and pulses directly, that also have lot of bacteria. So eat a lot. Feed them. Second is don't kill them. Don't kill. And how do you kill? The easiest way to kill the bacteria is anything packaged. Anything packaged, whether it's a medicine or powder or food, nothing, no packaged material comes without preservative. Because all the companies want you to see their product as fresh after 1 year as it was on the day of packaging. So every packaged thing, all medicines, all herbal products, all food have preservatives. And the function of preservatives is to kill germs. You are eating anything and you are killing your germs. And of course, the antibiotics or most of the medicines do kill. And another thing I would suggest bath. It's not healthy to take baths daily. It's absolutely absurd to glamorize bathing. It's good to eat, to take bath whenever you feel like, maybe once in a week or 10 days or whenever you feel like. Taking bath daily and that too with the soap is a severe damage to your skin, severe damage to your skin. So taking bath is another thing. And then of course, the water. The RO water or the bottled water is another big problem. You can't have the dirty water right away, but if you gradually increase your flora, then of course any water could be good for you. My friend can drink water from anywhere, and yes, he can drink water. And after meeting him, I started doing it, and I can tell you this summer, wherever I go, I try to drink a little from the natural streams. And this summer I was somewhere, we were cutting grass for our mud house, and the temperature was about 45 degrees, and we had to drink from a pond. And we were 5 friends, and everybody drank 5 liters of a pond water, which was looking muddy and yellowy, and nothing happened. so just being dirty, living dirty, drinking dirty will make your flora rich. Increase your flora, and actually you are bacteria, less you are human. Your consciousness is because of them, and our entire interbeing and connectedness is because of them. Because I am excreting millions of bacteria in the morning, they are going in the nature. Somebody is eating them, and that's why we are a lot interconnected on material basis also, not just on psychology. There is no point in using soap, and even taking bath daily is not healthy. Take bath once when you are feeling very unhealthy, very hot, weak or so.
Actually, bathing is not for cleansing. Actually, bathing is not for cleansing.
Yeah.
It's for cooling.
It's for cooling, because your skin, anyhow you are going to get a new skin every month. So there is no point rubbing it with the soap or anything, because you are going to get a new skin every month. I mean, if you have a strong urge, then you can take it. But we have actually considered taking bath so good religiously, and that having taken bath and is
so relaxed and all.
very good.
So tomorrow you will get all the answers quickly.
Yeah. I can tell you my own practice. In my farm, we have the composting toilet, and I can tell you my own water consumption. My own water consumption, human water consumption on my farm is 5 liters per person per day. 5 liters, 5 or 6. Because don't use any water in the toilet. We don't have a flush toilet, it's composting toilet. And we have a tree which has very nice velvety leaves. So we don't wash with the water. We just wipe with the tree leaves. And since we are wiping with the tree leaves, we are not touching with the hand. So there is no point washing our hands. We don't wash our hands. so no use of water in toilet. We take bath once in a week or so. And so what we need water is for drinking. And we use this kind of food which doesn't require cooking or cleansing of utensils. We don't clean the utensils because they're not required. You just put in the water and next day it's very clean. I can tell you that the ingredients you use for the washing are really nasty, dirty, toxic things. The soaps and disinfectants are the real thing that you should be clean of. You should be clean of, soil should be clean of. That is what is causing damage to the soil and to the people. The dirt is not doing anything wrong. Germs are not doing anything wrong. But if you don't have germs, so it's like you think of a situation where a bus is fully loaded and some hooligans, one or two come, they won't be able to do anything. But if the bus is empty and one or two bad persons come, they can play a havoc. That's what is happening. We have removed all our flora. So once we get a little exposed to the pathogens, the disease is so flourished. But if you are already rich with the bacteria, the disease-causing bacteria will have no opportunity to grow. Because it's already full, there is no place available, there is already a lot of competition.
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, can you?
Till the process, the transition from being empty of the germs and being full of them. So we will be
Are you
undergoing
leaving?
diseases.
Let me clarify another thing. The fees for this attending this workshop was 50 tucks. So
Huh?
please keep those 50 tucks
No.
ready before you.
Before this
No,
next
come again.
Before this.
Huh? No, this didn't happen. Because see, he is leaving. so that's why one person already left. I had to actually collect it in the beginning, but I said, okay, I can collect it later also.
No,
I don't have.
One by one,
My cashier is there. There are two cashiers. You can
We don't have the.
borrow.
You
Okay.
borrow it.
Okay.
You drag it. You rob it. You steal whatever.
Oh my God.
That is the reality today.
Woohoo! Nice.
What
That
they
question
given?
is very important. That the transition phase. How to move from empty space to the rich place where you have a lot of flora. It has to be really gradually. And how gradual? That's a very delicate issue. Because it depends from person to person and whether you can afford being little sick or not. If you can afford being little sick, I would suggest go fast. There's no point playing time. But if you can't,
She's the guest. You're the guest.
yeah. So you can go quite fast. First of all, I would suggest that remove all the. First step, I would say, remove everything packaged, and so you are feeding. Second, of course, is this that cut down on sanitation. Cut down on sanitation. And the third is that third level would be that start drinking dirty.
Start?
Drinking dirty water. That would be third step. So first step, stop all the packaged food. Second is what I said.
Sanitation.
Cut down on sanitation. And third is get dirty. Third is get dirty. Yeah, so please, can you hold your question for a minute? I just like to make a mention of one more thing, please. If you just could pay attention. I'm fussy about one more thing, and that is of undergarments.
couldn't wear them.
Undergarments are extremely unhealthy. To have any undergarment is extremely unhealthy. And many studies indicate that the biggest reason of breast cancer in women is bra.
Yeah.
And likewise, the prostate cancer in the men is underwear. Because the hanging parts have to hang naturally. Unless they hang naturally, the muscle strength will be very less. And when muscle strength becomes very less, then the whole area gets messy. That is one thing. Second is then again I would say hygiene issue. If you have less layers, then you have more ventilation. There are more dry spaces, more ventilation. So you don't have. It's very comfortable, very easy. And the real sanitizers are actually sun and wind. Sun and wind are the real sanitizers. Chemicals are not the real sanitizers. You should be allowing your body more and more for air and more for sun. So your layers should be less. If you are not taking bath and if you are not having undergarments and your washing, laundry time, laundry cost comes down dramatically. Yeah. Okay. That's scientifically designed. That nutrition table is scientifically designed, and I have been a scientist for 22 years. I'm a hardcore scientist. I have over 100 research papers published, 20 patents filed, and 6 PhDs done under me. So don't take science seriously. Take science seriously. Lot of cost.
Okay, can I have some free explanation? Can I give some free explanation?
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
When you say don't wear undergarments, इसके साथ साथ हमको धोती पहननी चाहिए. Jeans is not what we.
Yeah, you should wear cotton. Jeans is fine. I'm wearing jeans.
वेंटिलेशन किधर है? एयर और वेंटिलेशन तो चाहिए.
अब इधर मैं जीन्स पहने हूँ, अदरवाइज तो मैं हाफ भी पहनता हूँ. हाफ में तो बढ़िया वेंटिलेशन होता है. मैं इधर भी बटन लगाता हूँ जिप की जगह.
अंडरगारमेंट सब चाहिए. आई बिलीव फॉर जीन्स. या तो मैं धोती पहनूँ या पजामा पहनूँ.
Just wear a loose jeans.
Like traditional farmers used to do.
Yeah, I rather
Dhotis and.
insist on that than you should insist
What
on
did you compare that? What would be the comparative study of modern and traditional?
I agree with 90% of what you say, but I think this has to be redefined slightly.
That's what I say. Push your comfort zones.
Super.
Yeah, push your comfort zone. Whatever you feel comfortable in is not good for you.
हंसी मजाक में एक बात और बोलूँगा कि जैसे ये बोलते हैं साधु बाबा की मैं बचा के जिंदगी में रखता हूँ. करूँगा मैं सब. आप बोल रहे सब
बन के
करूँगा.
देखिए, साधु बाबा जितना
सब
मजा
करूँगा,
कर रहे
सब
हैं, आप
करूँगा,
उसका
सर.
2% भी नहीं कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
आप उसका 2% भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. हाँ. They are the real bliss state.
You're right.
वो आपको लग जरूर रहा है कि आप
नहीं,
ज्यादा
मैं
कर
साधु
रहे हैं.
बाबा नहीं हूँ, बनना भी नहीं चाहता.
हाँ, तो मैं
Till your body is fit, your mind cannot
What should be hanging in
withstand
the
this
stores?
I told you I'm saying it in jest. I agree with 90% of probably more of what you're saying.
That remaining 10% is pushing the comfort zone.
Yeah.
Whatever you feel comfortable in is really not good
What
for
you
you.
say about water, bath,
Yeah,
all that I don't
Doctor say the only problem is the problems are because of bad water. So if we
And the statistics is that the doctors live for 20% less time than their patients. Whatever, if they can't make themselves healthy, how would they are going to make others healthy? They actually live 20% time less. And most of the doctors will die of the same diseases they treat.
So I'm also looking at living at least.
How many of the gents? This is something amazing question. Lapen. Something amazing question. So, how many of the gents they observe their testicles coming down and going up? It's natural, as you said. It's good, true also.
Sorry, again.
मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कितना सारे अभी मेल्स है.
हाँ.
How many of them they observe themselves the testicles they come and go up according to nature. I'm telling about the nature. It's not to be after this thing. So nature gives you,
Yeah.
you can see bulls and all, how it
yeah.
comes and down. So we are going totally against nature. That's what my observation is, to be frank. As a neutral person, I'm
We are
saying.
completely going against nature.